Hey guys, in the following tutorial I'll be showing you how to get Showbox completely for free on your Android or iOS device. This is a completely free method, it's very easy and it only takes a few minutes. You do not need to root or jailbreak your phone to get Showbox and watch all the latest movies and TV shows on your device, either iOS or Android. So let me show you right now how you can get Showbox. Open up your browser and type in m.apphacks.co showbox. So m.apphacks.co and I'll also leave a link in the comments, in the pinned comment down below. And all you have to do, guys, after this is press allow, close, and then go to settings. So go to settings and you will see Showbox appear right here on the profiles and management. So basically you just go to general. After you go to settings, scroll down and find profile and device management, go to Showbox and then press install right here and it will start installing Showbox on your device. Okay, then press next and install once more and install here and you're done. Now let's see, it's right here, Showbox. Let's press the icon and it will say something like no injection detected, get started. So thank you for installing the app. Tap the get started button above to begin the setup process. Let's press the get started button and then press start injection to inject the Showbox on your device. So let's do that right now. Okay, let's wait for the website to load. And it will say install and run 2 free apps from the list below to unlock Showbox on your device. So from what I understand, guys, this is to prevent any bots from stealing this app and selling it online for money. So they put this protection. So let's choose any apps from this list. You can choose any apps. Follow the instructions for each app. So we'll have to first install these apps, which will help us inject Showbox on our device. And now let's choose another one. It can be any app, by the way. For this app, we'll have to watch the video. Okay, and then go to the App Store and then download Hotspot Shield VPN. And then press open. And as the instructions stated, we have to use the app for at least 30 seconds or so. And let's connect to the VPN. As you can see, this is pretty straightforward. And after this, guys, you will get Showbox on your device. It's very easy. So you got the idea. After this, we can open the other app, CyberGhost. Here you might need to create a register profile, use any email address and then type in a password. Just basically keep the apps open, and after this, guys, return to the app and it will show you that Showbox is officially installed on your device. Go to the original app And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Subscribe, smash that like button, share it with your friends. I'll be posting more tutorials. Peace out.